We want to talk about how news can just change overnight. Yesterday, I posted this video saying that the DOJ was investigating NVDA for antitrust violations. And yes, I like my own posts, because before you can love others, you have to love yourself. That was yesterday. A couple hours ago, I noticed that I started getting a lot of comments saying fake news, fake news. I was like, what the hell is everyone talking about? So I checked. Now, just to show you, one day ago, they're being investigated. 4 hours ago, they did not receive a subpoena. This is the actual article. It says they haven't received a subpoena. They have inquired with the U.S. Department of Justice and have not been subpoenaed. Now, see, as a viewer, this is one of the reasons why it's important for you, the audience, to check the time and date that a video was posted. I posted it yesterday. The news came out a couple hours ago saying it was wrong. This is another reason, yet again, why I wish TikTok would reinstate pinned comments, because gee, that sure would be helpful. I posted this when I found out that that article was wrong, that they hadn't been subpoenaed. But of course nobody sees it because you can't pin it. So I'm getting comment after comment. Now, you might say, well, you should go and you should delete the old video, but I'm not gonna. Here's why. Now, yes, if you watched the video from yesterday, it is now old and fake news, but the reason I'm not taking it down is because I still think there's a valuable lesson there to be learned about DOJ investigations into companies. In the video, I mentioned that a lot of big tech companies like Apple, Amazon, Meta, or Facebook, they've all been hit with violations and charges and inquiries over the past. And yet, if you look at it years later, the stock is dramatically higher for some of these companies. So relax. I know it looks scary, but relax. But let's also talk about the fact that this fake report came out and caused NVIDIA to lose almost $280 billion of value in a day. And I don't know about you, but I pounced on that opportunity when the stock was down around the lows of the day to add a little bit more. All right, make sure you smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.